Alright guys, this is a first on the effspot channel. I personally have not actually sat in the back seat being chauffeured in my own car. So we're gonna have Kaz right over here, hook it up. I will be in the back seat, the power seat, the CEO seat. Look at this. Boom, check this out. Look at this amazing legroom here. We got VHS tapes here. Best Motoring New Cars 3, RX-7 versus all these other cars here. Let's put it back. Got the remote and boom. Let's check our carbon monoxide. Ah! Ah! What the fuck? Can increase the legroom here. Oh! Take off my shoes. Woo! Oh yeah. Nice. There she is, boys and girls. The Toyota Century with a V12. With the $18,000 exhaust, the stealth mobile as I call it, because, well, you just don't expect it. All right guys, we're currently here back at New Jack. We're gonna check up on the status of the Bozozoku car build here. I see my front bumper right there, New Jack logo, and this is his personal twin cam 24 super silhouette car here. Boys and girls, let's go inside and take a look. He's gonna show us some of the mods that he's working on the Kaido Racer / Bozozoku car. So we decided to go with, I believe it's 4 mods. So out of everyone's suggestions, we're doing the front splitter. We're extending that by 20 centimeters. We're doing the fender flares, or what do you want to call them, on the hood. We're doing the wing. And of course, the exhaust system, instead of 2, we're getting 4, along with the 2-meter long Takayari here. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are rolling. We are in business, and he is currently fixing this bumper because it had a split crack right over there. So he's gonna repair that.
Gonna put that thing on the black thing.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yep. Gotcha.
It's like you can take the bumper off if you're going on bumpy roads.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So he's thinking about LA.
And then this is the front splitter here. It was cracked, and he's going to be repairing this as well, and we're going to be extending the front as such. So, nice.
So this whole market there. So he's going to turn it there.
Yeah.
And he's going to put another one there, so it's going to be like a
2 here and 2 there. Oh, so it splits off right there. Right down there. Oh, okay, I see. So he's pushed the fuel tank up to make room for the other 2 exhaust pipes right over there. Yeah.
The first dividing place.
Yeah.
He had to push the chassis. He
had
to cut the chassis.
Oh.
So it won't be scraping.
Dude, get the fuck out of here. Look at this. Master of the Player New Jack. I need a sticker like that. That's sick. And we got NJR Racing right there as well with the 2 Takayari. So he's discussing right now. We have an option to have the exhaust pipes kind of stick up, 2 on each side, like this car right here. Oh!
So it's much simpler.
Yeah.
And you can make different sizes.
Oh, yeah.
So you don't have to have like a supporter. Like
Right, like that one.
Original one.
No, this is better. He's got the 2-meter long Takayari here. So now we're talking. So this is what you guys decided, guys. You guys wanted 4 of these? Oh, shit. Oh my God. 2-meter long Takayari. There's 2 of them right here on this side, but this one right over here, these 2 are just for driving. These 2 over here are obviously for show. Can you could drive with these 2-meter long Takayari, or is it not advised to drive?
It is, but if you put tie wraps or something
to
connect it.
To connect it, so that's why it doesn't like
careful.
fly off. Gotcha. Okay.
But it's pretty sturdy, so
It's sturdy as is. Yeah. No, we definitely want the exhaust tips to go slanted up like that. We kind of chicken out, and we didn't go full on with the front splitter, but that's how you slap it on there, guys. Look at that. Oh, okay. This is all coming together. This is fucking blowing my mind, guys. Look at this. So we made an executive decision last time we were here to not go full on 100% crazy with the front splitter. So you just attach it, yeah.
There's a hook.
Like a little clip, and you just put it on there. Oh.
There's already one.
Oh, yeah, right there. No way. We kind of deduced that something this long would not survive the streets of Los Angeles. So we're doing something a little bit shorter, but within reason. You guys know it's getting serious when he's got the measuring stick out here. Hold on. 60 centimeters. We got the stock exhaust. You can see the piping here is considerably thinner. And I can't do it with this straight face, but you can see right here, it's been scraped quite a bit. So he had to raise the chassis to ensure that this does not scrape on the Los Angeles roads, which it most likely will. Oh, behave yourself, guys. Thicker pipes, like this one right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
The same size.
oh, the same size.
Those ones were like tiny.
Yeah, the ones that I had over there, definitely a lot skinnier and thinner. Ken, what's wrong? You don't like my wide pipes? What's wrong? So we're gonna have a little startup here. Yeah, it's... Oh yeah, oh yeah. Dude, we were just talking about model cars, eh?
This is the first car he made.
This is the first
for
one
the
he's made?
silhouette style.
The autoback sliver.
Autobacks. Hey, we gotta take the Century there later next week, so it's very appropriate.
Just showed it here.
Wait. This is a timeout, guys. We got two of them here. That's his personal car right there, the black one, and then this was his first car that he's built. All handcrafted, one of one. He's got the sunroof off right there, just like the real car has a sunroof off right now. That is insane. Pit Autobox in Shinano here. We're looking for a tachometer for the Toyota Century. As I mentioned earlier in my previous video, we're having issues with knowing where the red line is on the digital display on the Toyota Century and when to really max out the revs. So without further ado, all right, so we found the tachometers here on the second floor and car gauges. Unfortunately, these prices are pretty high, and most of them are digital outputs, and they're basically high performance gauges. So I'm not really sure if the Century really needs something that expensive. We might have to look on Amazon, but here's the selection right over here. This is running for around 160 US dollars. Oh man, might have to get something a little bit cheaper for the Century, and we got some over here by Defy. These are around 21,000 yen. They're like 200 US dollars, $230, $260. So not entirely sure if the Century requires something this high performance oriented. So we might have to rethink our strategy, buy one online, and come back here to Autobox and have them install it. So we'll see. This one is 130,000 yen for the advanced TFT multi-information display with lap timer. Boom, there we go. W140, old school out of print magazine, all in Japanese. I can't read a single lick of Japanese. Dude, guys, believe it or not, this is the best $30 I've ever spent on any sort of magazine, book. We got a lot of old school stuff going on here. All the old body kits, the wheels, accessories. Look at this. Aftermarket parts. And even crazier is this section right over here. It tells you exactly how much it costs to fix this particular drivetrain. So you got the amount of hours it takes and the price point. But unfortunately for us, this is a 2003 issue, so 17 years old. So the prices most likely went up because, well, the price I was quoted for fixing my drivetrain was pretty astronomical. And what's even crazier right over here is this magazine obviously specializes in W140 S classes. So they have all these specialist shops listed in the back here. That is pretty very, very thorough. Time being, we're gonna find another tachometer on Amazon. Unfortunately, we weren't able to buy one here, but we will probably take the Sentry here again for a routine maintenance to take a look at the headlight that's out, the brakes, maybe check the tires, and maybe the suspension as well. So we'll get a quick rundown before we take this onto a more proper road trip in the near future. But anyways, yeah, A-Pit Auto Box here at Shinonoma. Yeah.